Before installing the timing belt, we need to make sure that the camshaft and crank are at their top dead center positions. Align the timing marks of the cam gear pulleys with the timing belt cover. We will do the same with the crankshaft timing pulley. Using the pulley bolt, align the timing marks on the crankshaft timing pulley and the oil pump. Install the timing belt on the crank pulley and wrap it around the intake cam pulley. Then around the exhaust pulley, and lastly around the idler pulley. Install the guide facing with the cup side outward. Install a new timing belt tensioner by alternately tightening the two bolts to 20 foot-pounds. Now we can remove the pin from the tensioner. Lastly, spin the crank clockwise until the timing marks line up again. Do that twice. Check that each pulley aligns with the timing marks as shown previously. If the marks do not align, remove and reinstall the timing belt.